one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You've been giving out a lot, and lately you've really begun to feel the cost. You've been showing up, you've been praying, you've been trying to keep your heart in the right place, but you know that you cannot keep drawing from an empty place. And the Lord is saying, I am with you. I'm filling you afresh in this day. Do not be afraid, but know that I'm breathing life into you. I'm filling you again and anew, filling you with the fire and the passion of my love. Don't be afraid, but draw into my presence, for I am the one who is renewing you, the one who is strengthening you, the one who is empowering you by my Spirit. You don't need to hold on to the past. Give it into my hands, allowing me to fill you again and anew. For it is as you let go that you can be filled afresh. Trust in me that I'm filling you again with my Holy Spirit. I'm filling you anew with passion and zeal, with the fire of my love. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.